So it's very hard to pour from a very empty cup into someone else's life. I want to talk about three self care strategies to help you improve yourself so you can fill your cup. Many times it's so easy to continue to pour out on others and others when all the fact your cup is empty. And so, how do you fill your cup? Here are three steps, three ways. One, you want to establish healthy self care. So, in order for you to fill and pour out on someone else, you must have some self care activities for yourself. Self care can be what are those things that build you up? Whether that's getting a massage, whether it's getting your nails done, whether that's going for a walk, whether it's taking care of self. What are those things that you identify for good self care for you? And you must practice those things. Consistent. Just like you go to the gas station and you fill your car up, for those who have used vehicles that gas, you fill your car up, you have to continue to go and fill yourself up with those self care activities that you identify. And then sometimes one self care activity that you have tried before might not work this time. And so recognize, what do you need to do different? Have you stopped for a moment and think about, what self care activities do I have for myself? Another strategy is, you got to set boundaries. That is a word that is hard to use with family, friends, and others, and even with yourself. But setting boundaries and saying no. I always tell my clients, when you set boundaries and you always saying yes to other people, you are saying no to someone, and that someone is you. So if you don't want to stop saying no to yourself, you must start saying yes to yourself by start saying no to others, by setting healthy boundaries for yourself. And three, we got to practice being mindfulness and gratefulness for the things we do have. And that include if you take out time to meditate, whether there's you doing yoga, relaxation techniques, or church, but being grateful for where you are and taking our time to be grateful. If that takes that you actually need to sit down and make a list, or actually today, I am not going to name three things that I'm grateful for, or I'm going to list things that I'm grateful for, but being grateful. In order to pour your cup out on others, you must have a cup filled. Thank you.